Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to carry out a Zanussi washer dryer wash element replacement. If your wash element is broken inside your Zanussi washer dryer, you will notice that the machine isn't heating up during a wash cycle. Thankfully, this is a very easy fix that you can carry out at home without having to call out a professional. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a hammer, a flathead screwdriver, a socket set with a 7mm socket head and a 10mm socket head, and you may also need a pair of pliers and of course a new element, and you can find a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the wash element, you need to remove the back panel of the appliance by undoing the 6 bolts using your 7mm socket. With the back panel removed, here is the wash element, and you can see 4 electrical connections feeding into it. Far left and far right are easy to remove. Then we have the NTC sensor here. So remove the electrical connection from that first. And then the earth wire, you'll need to use a flat-headed screwdriver to push down on the tab to take off. To release the wash element, you need to unscrew the nut that holds the element in place underneath the drum using your 10mm socket set, or you could use a pair of pliers. Also, if the element is stuck in place, you can use a flat-headed screwdriver just to wedge between the drum assembly at the bottom here and the element to help release it. Wash elements are unlikely to be sold with the NTC inside. So take the NTC out of your old element so you can fit it into your new one. Now it's time to fit your new element. Before finding your new element on the website, you're going to need your make and model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. Now, if you have no idea where to find the model number on your machine, don't worry. Check out our video here that will give you all the information you need. Before fitting the new element inside the drum assembly, I'm going to put the NTC in place. Just push that into the back of the element, like so. And then you can push the wash element into position. Now, on new elements, you may need to use a little bit of washing up liquid around the seal just to lubricate it so that it goes into position nice and snugly. Now, in order to make sure the element is firmly in place, what I'm going to do is use a hammer and a piece of the socket set just to knock in the bolt a little bit before then tightening that bolt up. When you're happy that the element's in place, you can refit the electrical connections. Then you can refit the back panel before screwing the bolts back in. So there we have it, how to carry out a Zanussi washer dryer wash element replacement. Hopefully your machine is up and running again and heating up properly once more. Now that your machine is running smoothly, why not make sure you're using it as efficiently as possible so you can get the best results for the lowest cost? Check out our video here, Energy Saving Tips for Your Washing Machine, to learn more. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things e-spares, repair guides, maintenance advice, and some fantastic money and energy saving tips. Thanks for watching.